Today we are going to do the eighth and the final video of The Old Man and the Sea by Ernest Hemingway. In the last class we had seen how the fish were attacked by three sharks two times. Like first one shark came, second time pack of two sharks came. Now he feels very sorry for the fish, and then he asked pardon to the fish, and then he said he should never have gone so far. And then he wished he had a stone with him at least, like he's lacking many things with which he can attack the sharks. Then he's wondering how much the last shark took. Now almost quarter of the fish is gone. He wished all this were just a dream. And then for the third time, a single shovel nose shark came, and then when he hit the shark with the knife, the shark took the knife with it and it went. So he lost the knife as well. He was wondering with what things he can fight the sharks again, and then he decides that with whatever he have, he will fight for the shark. And he's feeling very tired. Till sunset, no sharks came. And the next in the night, two galanos came. He fought it with the oar handle, and then he after that he's making plans of how to fight these two sharks. The first one he hit its head, and the second one he hit it again, and it was tightly biting the meat. And then when he hit, it left the meat and then it went. And then like he could not kill the two sharks, he could only hurt them. And then half of the fish was destroyed. He did not want to look at the fish anymore. It is night, and then he hopes that he will reach the shore very soon. And he decides that till he dies, he will fight for the fish. Half of the fish is gone, and then he thinks that he have no luck. And then he thinks that he lost his luck from the moment he went too far inside. And he is afraid that more sharks will come. And for the fifth time, a pack of sharks came. He fought the sharks with the club, and they have gone. They have gone, taking the club itself with him. Then there is nothing for them to eat. Now that nothing is left for them to eat. But again and again sharks came, just like having the crumbs from the table, Again and again sharks started to come, and then he didn't bother about them. He could feel that the skiff is very much light now to go. He felt a kind of coppery taste, and then he spit, and he told the sharks, eat them, galanos. And then you just dream that you can kill a man. There is no weight, and then he just wish he could reach his shack, he could sleep on the bed, and he thinks that the bed is his real friend. And then he reached the shore. There was nobody there, everybody were asleep. And then he climbed, and he understood the depth of his tiredness when he started to climb. He could not reach the shack soon. He was carrying the mast, and 5 times he sit, and then only then he sat to rest. Then again he walked, again he sat, like that only he could reach. Then he was asleep. As soon as he reached his shack, he went asleep. And then the morning the boy came, and then when the boy saw his hand, he started crying. And then there were many people, they gathered around the boat looking at the fish. And then one man measured the length of the fish, and it was 18 feet from tail to nose. And the boy, seeing the hands, he started crying. He was crying all the while, thinking about the old man. And then they had gone for searching him in planes and boats and all, but then they could not find. Then the boy said that Pedrigo is sitting and taking care of the boat. Then old man said, let him take the head. Let him take the head and make some fish traps. The boy have many plans now for future expeditions. And then the man said that they should now have so many things with them in hand, lands and so many things like that they should have, so that they can fight the sharks. The boy is very excited to learn more. He doesn't bother anymore what his parents say. He wants to go with old man. Old man says that he is not lucky anymore, and the boy says that he will find luck by himself. Then we see that the tourists are looking at this and commenting that it is a shark. And then the old man was sleeping, and the boy was like the tourists were telling they have never seen a fish like this. It's true. None of them have seen a fish like that. It was that big, 18 feet. Imagine. Then the old man was asleep, and the boy was watching him when he was asleep. And the old man, as usual, he dreamt about the lions. Now here he is dreaming about the lions. Now there is some similarity can be drawn between him and the lions. What, even if he was very old, he has that power. He has that strength. He has that willpower that can be symbolized by a lion. So the novella ends like this. Hopefully, they will boy and him will go again for expeditions, and they may catch many more fish, which is not written here, but which is for us left for us to assume. So I hope all of you like the novella. Thank you so much. This is the 8th video and the last video. Thank you so much.